Hello, I'm in a 2011 Ford Fiesta, and today I'm going to show you how to change your date and time. So from your vehicle, make sure your vehicle's on, and then make sure your radio's on. Right now it's off, so you can turn it on by pushing that. And then from here you can go to your menu, and then you can scroll down to your clock and hit OK. Then here you can set your time by hitting OK, and then here you just scroll up or down as needed, and then over and then up or down as needed, and hit OK. And then same thing with date, you can scroll to the date options, and then you scroll up or down, unless you like it being this far in the past. I mean, that works too, or you could go in the future, I suppose. But once you get to what you want, you can hit OK again, and then you can set 24-hour mode if you'd like, or just leave it with the 12-hour like is typical. But I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.